Hi guys, it's me Ryan. Welcome back to another unboxing video. And today we are going to unbox this Beats Solo 3. And also I'm gonna make this video a little bit special because I see a lot of YouTuber the unboxing video, they wear those white or black gloves. I think it'll be the best if we can do some videos like that. So I'll have to try find the gloves just like them. But unfortunately, I only have these latex gloves. Hopefully it works the same. Let's put them on. Let's put these guys on too. Oh man, I already feel I'm at a high-end unboxing video right now. Okay, I'm ready. Let's do it. Let's unbox this Beast Solo 3. The rose gold. So the tool that we are going to use is the bullets from the AK-47. Hopefully it won't blow up. Now let's cut it open. Not that sharp though. Not that sharp. I thought the bullet is supposed to be very sharp, but this one not. But let's try it. Okay, now it works. Let's peel the plastic off. And now let's unbox it. But before do that, let me put away these gloves. It's really hot, make me sweaty, man. I'm not doing this anymore. And now, guys, let's get this thing out. Is it pull? Yeah, I can't get it out. I can't get it out, man. What the hell? Oh, this way, maybe? Oh, it is a pull. Okay, here we go. Let's get it out. Dun, 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 dun. Let's take a look inside. Look at this. Change the way you hear song. Nice. I already hear the quality, man. Okay, let's take out the menu then. Oh, you know what? This is not a menu. It's just a cover for the box. Okay, now let's put the headphone aside. Let's go to the menus. Oh, pretty thick. A lot of menus, man. Teach you how to use it. Okay, let's put this aside. What's next? An app card that you can download the app for the headphone. And the sticker, this is really nice. You can stick on somewhere. And this is our 1-year limited warranty card and an empty box. And now guys, let's get this beast out. It is really light. It's not heavy, man. It's not like those bulky headphones that heavy. It's really light. Look at that. Look at that. Rose gold, man. Do the right thing. Be a man. Beast. Beast. Beats. I always read it beast. Okay, let's get this thing out. Okay, so you can fold it if you don't want to use them. So this is a button that you can pick up the phone and play the music, and that's the value, up and down, louder and lower, and that's the USB for charge. And the battery is really good, man. It's up to 40 hours battery life. 5-minute charge equals 3-hour play. Oh my goodness. And then there's a button. I think that's the power button. Also is the pairing button. And now let's see if we can connect. According to the fact, it can connect to the iPhone automatically. Let's see if that's true. Let's push this button. Oops, nothing happened. What happened, man? Oops, I just broke it. Oh my god, look at this. It's broke. It's broken. No. It can be folded just like that. But what happened here? Seems like I received a defect one. It's not turning on, man. You know what? I think the battery may run out. You know what? I think I may need to charge it. Okay, guys. Let me charge it, and then we come back for it. Oh, talk about charging. I almost forgot. There's a charging cable in the box too. I thought that box was empty, but no. Okay, let's find the cable to charge it. Okay, a little box. Also put it like a little drawer, and you get some little nice gadget like a hook or something that you can hold on your bag. Really nice. And that's your flash charging cable. Really fast. Okay, let's charge it so we can connect it to our cell phone. Okay, now it's fully charged. And let's peel all those plastic off of our new beast. Let's peel it. Boy, let's take the other side out too. And now let's try to turn it on. There we go. There we go. It's flashing. It's in period mode. Let's see if we can connect to our cell phone. Oh my god, look at that. It connects. It connects by itself, man. Can you believe it? Did you guys see it? I didn't do anything. I just put the headphone next to the iPhone. It connects itself. But it's only 2% battery life, so that 5 minutes equals 3 hours is a lie, man. I charged it at least 5 minutes, but whatever. Let's press that done. Okay, let's go YouTube. Let's find something to test. Man, I really wish I can find a way to share with you guys how this headphone works, but I don't think you can hear the quality that I hear from the headphone if I put on my ear. So I'm gonna have my best friend to test this headphone and share with you guys how good this headphone is. Okay, so let me get my best friend Bob. Hi Bob, say hi to the guys. Are you okay to test the headphone? Yes, of course, man. Okay, so let's find the music for Bob to test the headphone. Okay, listen to the music, man. How's the headphone? How's the iPhone? Do you like it? Yes, man, it is really good. I'm following the tempo, man. I'm knocking on my head. Thank you, Bob, for sharing your experience with this iPhone. Alrighty, guys. So that is pretty much everything for this unboxing and review of this Beast Solo 3. And I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you, Bob, for trying on and share your experience. No problem, man. It is really good deal right now. It's on sale on Amazon, only $120. It got a lot of different colors you can choose from. It is well built, a good quality. Feel free to check out the link in the description below. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button right there. Right there. I just made that. I just made that background. Right there. Make sure to click that. And thank you for watching. And as always, please be safe out there, and I'll see you in the next videos. Peace out.